Hi, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so when I have a new upload, you'll be notified of the video, and that way you'll get to see everything that I'm making videos of. And today I'll be doing a unboxing and a review on the Hanes 10 count face mask, and you can get this at walmart.com, or if you're a BJ member, you have a BJ membership, they also have it in there. And these are, it says these are white, and it says one size fits most, and it's soft 3-ply 100% adjustable nose piece, so it's got that little metal piece up there for your nose, breathable and washable and reusable. And it tells you on the back that it's not recommended used in surgical setting or where some significant exposure to body liquid or other hazardous fluids may be expected. Shall not be used in clinical settings where the infection risk levels through inhalation exposure is high. Should not be used in the presence of a high intensity heat source or flammable gas. Fabric touching skin 100%. Mask may contain silver or copper. Dispose after 20 washes. If your state is like the state that I live in, everybody in some states, when you're in the public, you have to wear a face mask, so that's why I bought some of these face masks. I also made face masks, but I like to have extra ones on hand, and I guess I wanted to give these a try, so I'm going to unbox them. Haven't opened them, and I'm going to open them here and let you see how they look. I don't know how they'll look once they're washed, but it says one size fits all. And they sort of remind you of, have you ever bought any sports bra? It's made sort of something like that material. And they look like they're pretty well made. But this looks like if you have a wide face, these might not fit, but I know they'll fit my daughter and my face and my husband, because we all have skinny faces. So these would be perfect. And let me measure to see how big it is right here. This is 6.5 wide. From here to here is like 6.5 wide, and that's not being stretched. And from here to here is like 3 inches wide, but this is wider because it's got the, see how it's got the creases in it, and it's got some stretch to it. And these go around, these have some stretch to it. And they're pretty well made by what I see. And it does have the adjustable nose piece up here. And you get 10 of these. And I paid $14.99 for them, for the box. And yeah, they look pretty nice. I'm not going to try them on until I wash them, because I don't know if they're dirty or not. I'm going to wash these before I use them. See, it's got the nose piece up here. And the sewing is pretty nice. I don't know how they're going to turn out once they're washed, or if they're going to shrink any, because I haven't washed them yet. But the quality of how they're made, they're pretty nice. And it's cotton. and you can't see through the fabric, so that's nice. And these are Hanes, and you get 10 in the box. Face mask, Wicking Cool Comfort fabric, and up here it says one size fits most. So like I said, they look pretty. The fabric is nice, and I don't know how they're gonna wear because I ain't wore one yet. I'm gonna wash them before I try them out, because I don't know, it might have a chemical or something in it. And I always wash all my stuff before I wear it. And it says on the back, it says adjustable nose piece for enhanced fit, soft 3-ply 100% cotton, washable and reusable. It wicks away moisture and it's breathable. And you can get these at walmart.com, or if you're a member at BJ's Club. Club member, you got to have a membership there. I seen them there. You can get them there. But yeah, they look like they're pretty well made. And like I said, I don't know how they're gonna be once I wash them. I'll have to see how they're gonna be. I don't know if they'll shrink up some or what. I don't know. Let me look on the back and see if it says anything about. It says care instructions: machine wash warm. Do not use fabric softener. Use only non-chlorine bleach when needed. And tumble dry high. Oh, it says you tumble dry them high. Well, I guess maybe they won't shrink up. But yeah, they look pretty nice. And I like the quality of them. So yeah, I'm glad to get them. Like I'm saying, in a lot of states it's mandatory that you wear these. In my state it's mandatory, so I need as many as I can get. So when I go out, no, you can't wear the same. You always got to change them. You can't, like if you go out 3 or 4 times a day, you can't wear the same mask. You got to change it. Once you wear it once, don't put it back on. You got to make sure you wash it once you take it off. So that's why I need some extra ones in case I have to go out a lot, which I haven't been going out. So, but they're pretty nice. And thank you for looking. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and like. Make sure you hit that notification bell, so when I upload a new video, you'll be notified that a video has been uploaded. And have a blessed day, and thank you for watching again. Bye bye.